Montclair Park is one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in Colleyville. It's a gated and guarded neighborhood with beautiful ponds and walking trails. If you don't know much about Colleyville, the city of Colleyville is a luxury, prestigious city near Dallas-Fort Worth. Every room I step into, it feels like so peaceful because of the natural lighting and the large windows that overlook the scenic backyard courtyard. This luxury home feels like your own private resort. Imagine hosting big parties here or even just relaxing out by the pool at the end of the day. If you take a look around at the beautiful lush landscape, it's on a 1-acre lot.